This is the big airplane, guys. Qantas. It retires in here in Albion Park. Very huge. Oh, we're under the plane. Ding. Ding, 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 ding. That's the wing.
Under the wing as well.
So you can have a tour in there, no?
Yeah, you can walk on the wing if you pay extra. You can
Walk in the wing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a tourist destination. Meron silang what's that called? So marami na may mga flight training doon, kaya ang daming mga small planes na nagte-take off and landing. And I think they're gonna have an air show soon. That's why there are 5 planes flying together. So they are practicing their stunts, maneuvers. So ito yung mga small planes. The rocket trip. It's a small Qantas also.
Travolta's plane supposed to come here. I don't know if it already has. It's called Connie.
Connie.
Turn around and go back.
Yung mga small planes. So it's Horse Museum ang tawag doon. Guys, that's the airplane. Na-retire na sila. Hindi ka na fly anymore. This one is just a regional plane kasi maliit lang siya.